Hey, what's going on, guys? David Schleiss back here again with Two Guys Build a Biz, the best place on YouTube to get all your SMMA tips, tricks, hacks, and all that other good stuff related to online entrepreneurship. Now, wanted to jump on, just hanging out. It's Tuesday night, hanging out at the new apartment, see if we can get some of the views in focus, just get city skylines back behind that tree. But just wanted to talk to you guys. One thing that we're seeing more and more questions about is, who created the best SMMA course? And I mean, we could talk for hours and hours and hours about why we created our course the way that we did, how we were unsatisfied with other courses, other inner circles, are left looking for answers on YouTube and seeing all kinds of people in our community of going on 4,000 members asking the same questions just over and over and over again, to the point that we finally just took it upon ourselves to create our own course. And nowadays it's called the SMMA Blueprint, and it's really a project of a passion for us. I mean, it's frustrating seeing people buy courses that don't teach them everything that they need to know, especially when young entrepreneurs are spending $1,000 and thinking that online courses aren't a legitimate way to learn a topic or skill or starting a business of some kind, when it really is, and it should be a great way to save yourself a ton of time, which is really what you're buying. You're really buying a time savings when you invest in a course, right? That's why people go to college, so that they don't have to go and figure out calculus for themselves. They go and learn from professors that already know it, right? So same goes for entrepreneurship and online businesses. But if you buy an inferior course, then you're gonna bump into a lot of issues. So anyways, long story short, and the purpose of this video is there's actually a link in the description down below for 2 articles written by a third party who not only took our course, but has taken all the other social media marketing agency courses and a bunch of other courses. Don't get me wrong, it's a very well-known, highly trafficked blog. It's very reputable. I actually, have read this blog before when I purchased courses, kind of reading their thoughts and making decisions for myself. But it's a big honor. They honestly put us at #1 for the best SMMA course. And not only that, was very, very complimentary just about the level of the content, how we structured the course, how we put it together, which is awesome. That's really why we put the course together, was to be the best, to have the best student results, the most students getting results for the number of students in the course. We run our own inner circle. We're hands-on, like we're fully committed to our student success and really seeing them explode their businesses and have tons of success with their agencies. Our boy Frankie will roll his testimonial here. He actually was just able to leave his 9-to-5 job as a result of the SMMA Blueprint. He is a successful person and decided to walk away from it altogether to fully focus on his agency after only a few short weeks as a member of the SMMA Blueprint.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Frankie Garcia coming to you from beautiful sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, here to tell you about the SMMA Blueprint. Now, as many of you well know, there are tons of courses made by countless gurus in this social media marketing space, which is really why I took a lot of time to do my due diligence and research before settling on one. Now, we all know who the big names are in this game, but it was only by chance that I happened to stumble across this hidden gem of a course, and I'm so glad that I did. After starting the module, I was able to bag my very first client a little after my first week. So David and Derek did a beautiful job putting this whole thing together. It covers everything from the foundations of your agency, getting clients, fulfilling services, scaling your business, and they continue to add to the course as they get real-time feedback from course students. So shout out to David and Derek. Thanks for everything you're doing. I'm really excited to be a part of this business. SMMA is not going anywhere, so if you're on the sidelines, take action. Start with the SMMA Blueprint.
So check it out, check the article out. And this is a little bit different than our normal content. I know, not super actionable in terms of like tips and tricks and hacks, but I would love for you to go take a moment, read those articles, and make the decision for yourself. And as always, please hit that notification bell, like, comment, subscribe, so that you will know when we post more content. And in the comments, let me know about other courses that you've taken. Let me know what you thought. What were their shortcomings? What would you like to see in an SMMA course? And I'll tell you what, if it's not in our course, we'll create that content, so it will be. Thanks again. Two Guys Build a Biz out. Everybody have a good week.